My name is Sherry and welcome back to Learn English with Sherry. In this part 2 of the volume for the pronunciation lessons, we are going to take a look at the short vowel sounds. So, as a reminder, here they are. Ah, eh, I, ah, and For today's lesson, we are going to focus on the short A vowel sound. Let's practice it. Ah, ah. Here are some tips on how to pronounce this vowel sound. The short A vowel sound is produced by placing the front of the tongue in a position to push further forward and being held in the mouth when forming the short A sound. So it is pushed further forward and lower in the mouth than any other vowel sound. Ah, ah. The tip of the tongue will touch the inside of the bottom front teeth. The body of the tongue is rounded slightly upward. Our jaw is lowered and the lips are held apart. This is allowing our mouth to remain open. Now, think about where is your tongue when you say this sound. It's near the inside of your bottom teeth. Okay, now let's try some words. Add, add. Let's break it apart. Add, add. Let's try a sentence. I had to add more sugar. I had to add more sugar. Okay, now let's say it a bit faster. I had to add more sugar. There's never enough sugar, right? I do love to eat foods that are made of sugar. Okay, now you try. Mad. Make sure you are saying these words out loud and practicing. The most important part of pronunciation practice is for you to practice the words and sounds. Okay, now let's try the sentence. Robin gets mad when you don't follow the rules. Okay, you try. Okay, let's try it again, a bit faster. Robin gets mad when you don't follow the rules. Great. And yes, that's true. Robin does not like it when his students don't follow the rules. Our next word is Batman. I have my mask that I like to wear when I pretend that I am Batgirl. Batman. B-at-m-an. Batman. We have the a in the first syllable, bat, and in the second syllable. Now let's try a sentence. Batman is the caped crusader. Batman is the caped crusader. We've got the a sounds in the word Batman. Batman is the caped crusader. Great. You're doing fantastic. In our next lesson, we are going to take a look at the short E vowel sound, which is pronounced as eh. Come back and let's keep learning how to say our vowel sounds correctly. See ya.